Good morning everyone. I actually wasn't going to film this vlog today, but it's such a beautiful sunny day and I've just like got so many big chunky meaty parts of my to-do list done that I'm just feeling like so happy and so buzzing. My makeup's done, my hair's done. I've like smashed the part of my to-do list that was quite intimidating, you know, like the bit you don't really want to do. I've done it by 10 AM, so I'm feeling good, and I thought let's just get the camera out and start this video now because there's never going to be a better day. Look, I actually am wearing proper clothes. This is miraculous. Like, don't you guys just feel so weird about this year, the fact that we're like in loungewear and pajamas a lot of the time? I would highly recommend it, just putting some actual real clothes on. Like, I'm wearing jeans. I feel great for it. Rich and Gray have just gone out for a little walk, which is really nice. I really hope the weather stays like this because it makes such a difference to everyone's mood and like what we can do with our day. He's like gone to the woods and they're gonna go for a walk and it's not gonna be raining and muddy, so that's really nice. And I'm just gonna share my day with you. Actually, before I get on with the video, I'm not gonna like tease this and put this towards the end of the video because this is the bit you guys are gonna wanna know, and I'm just gonna like get it done at the beginning of the video because I think you guys are gonna be very excited about this. But please watch the rest of the video and then you can go and do some shopping. Misma, you guys know Misma. I talk about them all the time. I'm an ambassador for the brand and I'm constantly wearing their jewelry. Their annual sale is now live. You guys are always asking me for discount codes and now it's here. This is their biggest sale of the whole year. It's the only time of the year where you can get 25% off the entire website. It's such a good deal. Also, the timing is perfect ahead of Christmas if you guys are buying gifts, whether it's for your mum, your sister, your friend, for yourself, which is definitely okay in my books. It's an excellent like pre-Christmas sale time. So if you've had some Missoma pieces on your wish list for a while, now is the time. Head over to the website, 25% off the entire website. It's amazing. Today I am wearing, oh my god, I'm gonna list all the products I'm wearing down below because I never remember the full names, but I absolutely love these earrings. I feel like they're small enough that it doesn't feel like a big deal. Like, you know, if you've got kids, I don't want to wear like huge hoops. So they're small enough that they're just like little earrings, but they make a statement. I just always feel so like chic when I'm wearing these. These two necklaces, I love the way this one sits. I always wear this layered with other necklaces, and then also the coin one is an absolute staple of mine. I think these two look so nice together. I'm also wearing a ring, which I really love. This I can put on either finger, and I've got a couple of bracelets. If you are a mum and you can't wear necklaces or earrings, bracelets are a good way to go. I really like both of these because they're quite simple. I also like layering them with my watch. So that's what I'm wearing today. But I've got so many Missoma favorites. Maybe I'll add another list below of like some of my other favorites as well, because I know it can be a bit intimidating when you just go to a website and you don't know what you're looking for. So I'll put my favorites. If you guys feel like your style is similar to mine, then you can look at those. Missoma are also partnering with Tree Sisters again this year for the 3rd time running. So for every order made on their website, they will be planting a tree, which is brilliant. I'm just excited. I'm buzzing for this. I'm excited for you guys to get your hands on some Missoma if you haven't been able to before. Just like putting on some jeans and a nice shirt, like putting on some nice jewelry really makes me feel great. It makes me feel confident, and I love the way their jewelry looks. I've been so happy with the pieces that I've had in my collection. They've worn so well and I always get compliments on them. My friends, I know, are going to be very excited about this discount code. So the annual sale is here. I will leave a link down below to the Missoma website. I'll leave the code again down below and all of my favorites as well. There you go. I knew you guys would want that at the beginning of the video. So now I can just get on with the rest of my probably quite boring day and show you what I'm getting up to. Okay, so maybe I should talk you through my day and what I'm doing. I haven't really done one of these for a while. So this morning I recorded some stories for some jobs I'm doing with a couple of different brands. So that's good that that's done, and I've just kind of sat here. It's probably taken about half an hour, 40 minutes to kind of compile those together, whether that's like putting together the photos and the videos, and then I write the text on the screen. I like send those to my managers, and you can't add the hashtags and the handles until you actually post. So I make like a couple of versions, like one without the handles and the hashtags, and then one with to send over to the brand, that kind of thing. So I think I'm done with that, and now I'm just logging onto my Trello. I don't know if any of you guys use Trello. Actually, it's really handy for all kinds of jobs. It just kind of is a good place to keep all of your work, and you have different boards, and it's a really good way to keep organized, I find. I think did Anna introduce me to it? No, actually I think my managers did. So I kind of log onto Trello every day and I check any new notifications, I check updates, I've got like a little timeline for myself of what's going on. Like the next couple of months are busy. It's always busy leading up to Christmas, which is really good. I feel very lucky to be busy, you know, with everything that's going on. But because I work part-time now, I have to be super organized with my time. So that is what I'm doing now. And then I'm gonna go through my emails because I've got a bit of a backlog. Okay, the next task of the day is to get a photo with Gray, but like holding her, not facing the camera. Obviously I'm not gonna like force her if she's not in the mood, but she's in quite a fun mood, so I think she'll be up for it. And Rich is gonna help before giving her lunch. Okay, Rich and Gray have gone downstairs to have some lunch. Smells like she's having curry. It smells delicious, I'm jealous. We got a quick photo, it was fun. She loves it. I swear, like if we wanted her to go into modelling, which we don't, she would love it. She'd have the time of her life. She loves to take a photo and look at herself in the mirror. I wonder who she takes after. But just know for every photo you see on Instagram, there's always one like this where I'm trying to show Rich what I want. And then there's normally one like this as well, which is a bit of a blurry, chaotic scene. This is jumping. She's not crying. This is just one of those doing days. These are actually my favourite type of work days because it's not so much admin-y, it's much more of like a creating day. So I've sent over all of those stories, and now I created a reel the other day for a job, so now I'm going to write the caption for that reel and then create the 3 stories that are going to go with that reel. So I just feel like really productive because I'm like getting all of these things done. I kind of save them all in a folder. I've got a little folder on my camera roll that says to post, so I know which things are to post, and I like save drafts on my Instagram and just try and like get really organized. It's 12 o'clock, so I feel like when I finish this next load I could then break for some lunch. I've got a little visitor. Gray loves coming to my desk for some hand cream. We do this every work day. Okay, I've come down for lunch. Rich is having salad with mackerel, which is just so gross. I'm sorry, stinkiest of fish ever. Very good for you. You will 100% live longer than I do. I'm having a jacket potato, but like a sweet potato. I microwave them first. I don't know if that's gonna be controversial, but I haven't got time to wait hours for the oven, so I'm gonna put them in the microwave for like 5 minutes and then maybe finish it off in the oven to make it crispy. I just like wrap it in kitchen towel and microwave it. I'm about to film a reel where I'll be using my hands. So I put on this ring from Misma because I just thought that would look really nice in the video. I love the green, it's very pretty. It's very festive. Rich is having some of these. They are the best snacks ever. These are like the adult version of the kids crisps. Okay, I'm gonna put on my sweet potato, some butter, salt because the butter I have isn't salted. Melt that butter in. Oh, so good. Then I've got cheese. Cheese, might as well finish that. And I got baked beans. Oh my god, I don't actually have this that often, but it's like the best comfort food. I'm literally gonna use this whole packet of beans. Yes. Guys, this is so great. Let me show you. Look at this. Sweet potato, butter, cheese, and beans. Is this an English thing? I don't know. It's a delicious thing. Okay, I ate lunch so fast because I am racing. Basically, my work day is almost done by 3. After 3, I can only do admin computer stuff because we just totally lose the light in the winter in the UK. So like I'm talking like proper, it feels like it's nighttime after 3. So it's 2:10. And even though it looks bright out now, I know it's gonna go soon. So I just like hoovered down that lunch and I'm gonna go upstairs and finish off some of the things I need to do that are like photography, filming based. Okay, it's 4 o'clock now and I haven't had any air today. So it's my nephew's birthday. Oh, Gray! It's my nephew's birthday and so he'll be back from school now. So we are going to walk over to my sister's house and leave a present for him outside. I bought him some random thing that he wanted. It's something to do with Lego. I don't really get 11-year-old boys, but he wanted it. So we're gonna drop that over, sing happy birthday from the doorstep, and come home. I'll probably help with like Gray's dinner, bath and bed, and then do things like emails and stuff later that I could just do on the laptop on the sofa. Gray, should we give this to Bailey? Yeah. You're making a bit of a mess over here. Here you go. Thank you. Okay, I'll see you guys. Oh, I told you it was dark. I'll see you guys when I get back. I'm leaving the camera here. We're home and Gray's playing a weird game where she's going around kissing everything. She just kissed the fridge and then she kissed the floor. Ugh.
Yeah, Mum.
I need to take my makeup off. It's getting to that time of day where everything's just starting to like, it needs to come off. Look how nice this is. I ordered it from John Lewis. It's a tree topper. I don't think we've ever had a tree topper that we've liked, and then the past couple of years we haven't had one at all because they're really hard to find nice ones. And I just think this is really cool. It kind of looks like cane, like it looks like wood, but I think it's actually like slightly goldy. I just think that's really nice. Getting very excited now. It's almost tree time. Do you remember when our bath used to look chic and we had things like this across it with candles and lovely things? Now our bath looks like this. By the way, guys, #1 mistake not to make in a bathroom. That's where the plug for our bath is, and Gray constantly sits on it. Worst thing I did in the bathroom. Everything else, pretty much spot on. That was a big mistake. I didn't even think about it at all. So annoying. Like, even if I sit her there or there, she ends up sitting in the middle, and then all the water drains. In here is Child's Farm Bubbles, but we put it in this because it's much easier just to like pump it in the bath like that, and her flannels live here. Good morning, guys. It is now Saturday. I realised that I didn't really properly end the vlog. Also, I've started editing and the vlog mainly consists of me saying, I'm now going to do this. I'm now going to do this. Sorry, that happens occasionally when I try and vlog whilst I'm quite busy at the same time. There's a lot of doing, but not much I can actually show you. But it is the weekend now. And actually I've just been sitting at my beauty desk, getting ready. I've been trying Jamie Genevieve's new makeup launch. I'm very happy for her. She is a lovely, lovely girl. Been away with her a couple of times. She's so nice, and she's launched her own brand called Vive. So I ordered a couple of bits. I actually got a lipstick in Coming In Hot. It's a little bit too dark brown for me, sadly, but the eyeshadow palette, let me show you. So this was the lipstick, if it'll focus. It looked less brown online, so that's a bit of a shame. But this is the eyeshadow palette. Look how amazing. These pans are huge. Like, can you kind of tell by my hand? They are much bigger than they look online. Absolutely love Buff, Cozy, Delicious, Thea. These are the 4 I'm wearing today. Really nice. You can see I've just tried those 4 so far. The palette looks like this. And this is kind of what it looks like on. I don't know if you can like really see in this light. I know that eyeshadow always just looks the same on me. It's because I just go for like the same look. I know what I like. But yeah, that's what I've been doing this morning. I'll take you guys downstairs quickly. Also, guys, the Soho home chair arrived. I did get it. I feel weird about sharing this. I feel like people might be judgy, but I've realised over the years that I can't hide any purchases I make, which is a weird part that comes with the job. But anyway, I am so happy with this. It was meant to come in January and it just arrived like way early, so I'm over the moon. I will show you guys what this looks like in situ properly when I can. It's like a total mess around here, but I love it. It's boot play, is that how you say it? And it spins, which I really like because then I can, you know, position it. Whoa, it's probably not going to stay white forever, but whatever, it's a sofa. Also, I like that it's slightly textured. Hopefully it won't show marks as bad. Gray likes it. She thinks it's like a playground merry-go-round. Whee! Anyway, like I was saying, I like that I can like face it this way if she's playing, or you can face it into the lounge. And I like that it's much lower than our old one as well, which is over here. We're trying to decide what to do with it, but also the leg is totally broken. Like, look, this just totally comes off, which is a bit scary. Anyway, we are gonna have some lunch now. We're having some Linda McCartney veggie sausages. Not that appetizing, to be honest. We haven't really got much in the house. I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna play with Gray, have some lunch. Woo!
Wow!
You almost popped that. All right, I'll chat to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, sorry, Gray's trying to pop a balloon. Don't forget to check the description box for all of the links for my favourite Misma jewellery and the discount code. Very exciting. Thanks, guys. Bye.